how to use Asana Workflow Builder. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to telling you how you can use Workflow Builder of Asana. Let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I am on their website asana.com, and all we have to do now is just simplify, click on get started, and now over here once you click on the button, it's going to take you over here to sign up page, but you just simply have to enter in your email. Next, just simply click on the sign up button, and once you have done that, all you have to do is just verify your email address. Go into your email address and you will find this email from Asana, and just simply click on verify email. Then wait for a couple of seconds for the website to load up here. You can go over here. You just have to set up your profile, just answer a bunch of different questions, and you are good to go. Then it will tell you to get all the apps and all your screens, so you can go ahead view these apps or you can skip for now. And once you have done that, this is how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, I have created a pretty little nice board over here. As you can see, so we have our topics over here, then we have our scripts, then we have our voiceovers, videos, reviews. We will already been given a board from Asana, and then you can edit out later. But if you still don't know how to create a board, what you can do is just simply come over here onto home. Over here you can go ahead, so you have your checklist over here, but you don't have to do that because that's not really important. What's really important is to create a project, workflow. So over here you will have your project section over here, and this is basically your profile where you just simply have to create your workflow. So let's go ahead and click on create a new project. Over here you can use a template or import a sheet, or click on a blank project. Let's start from scratch and click on a blank over here. They are going to ask us what is the project name. So over here you can go enter in the whole project name, like for a client that you are working with or whatever, just type their name. So let's just say that we are doing a cash cow type channel. Let's just write cash cow over here. Then we can have the privacy to public or private. To me, it all depends on you. I'm going to keep it private for now. And then you want to have your default view. So have your list view, which looks like this over here. Then you have your boards, which look like this. You have your timeline in calendar. I mainly use boards because boards is much more simpler and easy to use and get the hang of it. So choose boards, and then over here we have to start adding task shares with the team members or set a workflow. It depends on you. So we are going to project over here and start adding our tasks. Over here we have our to-do list, we have our in progress, we have our completed, and then we have the add section over here where we can add different sections. So let's go ahead and click on to-do list over here. Let me just change that over here. But let me just go ahead and add a new section, and now I'm going to call it a review. And let's say because we are doing a cash cow type channel, then we are gonna need like video ideas over here, and then we're gonna have scripts over here, and you can move this at the second tab because we're gonna create scripts from here, and then we're gonna move them over here, and we don't actually need in progress. You can change it to the video in progress, and then you can put it over here and you can add another. There you go. So this is how it basically looks like. Let's go ahead and add a task. So to add a task, just simply click on add task button over here, and you can start writing your task. For example, we have top 10 richest people on earth, and we have this task right here. What we can do is we can click on this task and we can set it up. So we can add subtext, we can add a description over here, and in description we can add like a reference video, alright project over here. We can add due date, right? We can add a sign as well for your video, for your script. And over here you can go and ask questions. What's happening over here? Why it's taking so long? Is this delayed? Is it going to be delivered on time? You can ask different questions. You can ask them over here, and once it's done, what the person will do, he will basically add like a subtask over here and just add in the link of video, or he can add it over here as well, or he can add an attachment over here to attach a file over here from Dropbox, Google Drive. What you can also do over here, click on add tags, and over here he can write like script and just simply add in the color of the choice. Once it has a blue mark, that means the script is done and it has been attached, and we can move it over here into the script section. Then another person is going to need to make voiceovers, so we are going to add another tab for voiceovers as well, and we are gonna write over here before write over here after scripts. And once that is done, the voiceover artist will pick it up and he will add it over here. And once he is done, he's gonna add the tag for voiceover, and he can be like yellow. You have your two tags, and then we can add it to the video. Then we can add into the review board once the video is done and tagged and ready. Once it is done and reviewed and everything is done, we can then put it over here into the final section. Well, that's how you basically do it. That's how you can make this workflow happen. And once you have added or other people, what you can do is add like notifications as well, which are automatic, so you don't have to turn them all. Whatever, you don't have to worry about that. You can even customize it as well. You can add different rules, you can add different apps, forms and stuff like that. And yeah, it's really nice and it's really simple. You can add other fields as well. So for example, if you wanted to add like a custom field, you can do that as well. Once that's done, what you can do, there you go. And be mindful that usually these type of projects management tools are shared with your clients, so you can view all the progress and stuff like that. So be mindful of that. And like I said, you can add in apps as well. So for example, you can already connect your Google Drive or your Gmail account over here and your Dropbox account with this one, so that anyone can access the drive who is on their team. No one has to ask for different leaks, again and again. Since it's already connected, you don't have to worry about that. It's really simple, it's really easy. That's how you can create a workflow on asana.com. That's how you can use the Asana workflow builder. And I do want to say one thing, that if you don't like this type of workflow, what you can do is you can have like over here different views as well. As I said before, you have timeline, you have calendar workflow, you have your dashboard as well, you have your messages, your files are going to be over here. So this is going to be your overview of the project and wave and much more. And another thing is that when you add a project, you can use a template as well. So if you click on use a template, it will take you over to the template store, where you can start using different templates. So over here you can use your cross function, you have your work request, you have your meeting agenda, you have your event planner, you have meeting agenda stand up, cross team planning, and then you have products over here. You can have all these different types of templates that you can choose from, so you don't have to worry about that. And once you have liked a template, just simply click on user template and just add it to your liking. So that is basically it, guys. That's how you can use the Asana workflow builder. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.